Hello everyone, welcome to my crochet tutorial. Today we are making this simple and beautiful crochet flower keychain. I have already posted a tutorial for the strip, so you can find it on my channel. This project uses single crochet and double treble crochet stitches. First, we will crochet the flower center with the magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger and chain 1 as the starting chain. Round 1, work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Pull the ring tight, remove the stitch marker if you are using one, and join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1 to begin round 2. Place the yarn tail over the stitches so you can crochet over it and hide it as you work. Starting in the stitch where you join, work 2 single crochets in each stitch around. Two single crochets in the same stitch. Repeat this 6 times for a total of 12 stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch and fasten off. Don't forget to chain 1 before cutting the yarn. Now let's crochet the petals. Join the yarn in the stitch where you just made the slip stitch. Chain 4. In the same stitch, work 2 double treble crochets. Yarn over 3 times, insert hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time until all loops are worked off the hook. Make the second double treble crochet in this stitch. Yarn over 3 times, work double treble crochet in the next stitch. the second double treble crochet in this stitch. Chain 4 and slip stitch into the same stitch. This completes the first petal. For the second petal, slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 4. Work 2 double treble crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 double treble crochets in the next stitch. Chain 4 and slip stitch into the same stitch. Repeat the same process to make a total of 6 petals. When all 6 petals are finished, join with a slip stitch to the first petal, fasten off and weave in the ends on the back. Round 4 is the edging round. Join the yarn between 2 petals. Chain 5. Then work 1 single crochet into each double treble crochet stitch. Each petal will have 4 single crochets in total. Chain 5 and slip stitch between the next 2 petals. The first edging section is complete. Repeat this pattern around the flower to create the remaining 5 edging sections. When finished, slip stitch between 2 petals, fasten off and weave in the ends. Now you can shape the flower. For best results, place it on a heavy book overnight to help it hold its shape. Finally, attach the flower to a key ring. The crochet strip tutorial is on my channel. A beautiful crochet flower keychain is finished. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy crocheting!